Hi everyone, I'm so glad that you are back. My name is Emily and in this video I will be creating 3 projects. I will feature the robot builder die set from Trinity in all of my projects today. And you will see here how I assembled 2 of the robots, but I actually assembled them all pretty much the same. This set is really fun because you can mix and match however you like your robot to look like, and you can mix the colors, you can mix the elements, you can really play around. I just was looking at the packaging, and from that I took some own decision in the making of how the robot should look. But the first one here is pretty much similar to the one on the packaging. Maybe the color choices are a little bit different, but I try to look my best and try to see where all of the pieces goes. That is really a tip from me to you when there is a lot of small elements like in this set, that your first thing that you are assembling with all of these small die cuts is I don't want to say the original one, but where you use all the pieces so you get an idea of how you can use them in your next project, or in your next, for this example, for your next robot where you can use all the pieces. So you get a feeling for the die set. That is what I'm trying to explain here. So that was what I was doing here, looking at all the small elements. You can see my desk is really messy. I had all of my dies, all of the cut piles of paper laying around my desk. I will clean it up here in a second, don't worry, and I will not lose any of the pieces. It looks more messy here on screen than it actually was. I had a blast, and when you have a blast and you're playing around with cardstock, this is how your desk look, or should look, I think. It's a happy mess. So you can see here for my robot I used that sort of crafted roulette wheel in the middle of the stomach. I just went around with coordinating colors for my set here, and yeah, so I just tried to tie all the colors together with my robot in this wheel. And yeah, here we are building our second one. This has the one tile, I believe you can say tile, right? And we have our pieces, and we have the plate on the stomach here with all of the measurements and signs and everything. So you can see my pile of robots there to the back of my desk. Yeah, my desk is a lot cleaner, or is it? I have glue all over it. I can see it now. It's so bad. I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is what happens when you are playing around with glue and paper, right? So I have my robots, and what I liked it had a little shadow, or I used it as a shadow, so you can have it underneath your robots. And I pair it with Simple Sentimental Happy, and this birthday, that is the reversed sentiment here, it comes from the birthday one, so you can see it here on screen. And then after showing you this, I will actually start attaching all of my robots here to my background. I just cut a panel that was slightly smaller than a standard card front in cream color. That is something I really like to do. I think all my projects looks better when I have cream colored cardstock in the background. And I also raised it up with foam tape, all of those small pieces to the feet of my robot as well, just because I'm addicted to doing this. I really love my projects to have a lot of dimension, and this was so cute. And the happy goes beneath my sentiment, or sorry, my robots here. And yeah, we have the birthday underneath. Yeah, happy birthday, super cute. And I love that I was bold enough to use a colored cardstock behind my happy. My go-to otherwise is using vellum, but I really like the result of this. And I used some of the new gems from Trinity, and my glue gun, and the embellishment picker-upper Thule from Trinity. Just love it. It's amazing. I use them from all of my projects, especially when I'm doing projects like this where it's small pieces or tiny embellishments that are gonna fit around my project. So it's a lifesaver. Here I did the same thing. I colored the cardstock for the back of the Happy. I'm sorry I'm a little bit off camera here. I have the same birthday underneath, cream colored cardstock on top of a standard A2 size card front. And then I wanted to make a tag for my last project for today, and I'm using the tag Slimline and More die set. I hope it's still available. It was when I checked the website last time I checked the website, it was still available, so hopefully it's there, so you can go check that out if you haven't seen it. It's one of those go-to products in my stash anyway. So here I used the Happy, and you can see William's hand there in the background. It's my son. He was here helping me. He loved these robots so much. He was so... Okay, so he's 4, so he had problems assembling, so let's just say that he looked at mine and were very much intrigued by how they looked and curious to play with them. So that was all of the projects for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. And I will be having links to all the products that I used in this video down below. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye!